अनुशीलन कर रहे थे।
मैं दूर चला जाऊँ।
आ जाएगा ना
जी, मैं दूर आ जी महाराज, मैं यहाँ पे बैठ जाऊँ महाराज। जी अच्छा, इसका अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
हम लोग उस दिन केवल माधुर्य कादम्बिनी शब्द के अर्थ
2 days previously we 2 days before we started speaking on Madhurya Kadamni. So Maharaj asking, what is the meaning of Madhuryam? That's something that will attract the chitta, the consciousness. Seeing that something, that heart, it fully melts by seeing that. That fully attracts it. And in the heart, in the Adbhut, very astonishing bliss, very astonishing, very transcendental bliss, that is known as Madhurya. Just like when we see something that is very beautiful, something automatically our heart melts and we become attracted to that. And what is the meaning of Kadamni? That cloud that gives rain, that is almost ready, that rain will fall out of it. It is very very soon it will rain. So that cloud that is known, that is about to give rain, that is known as Kadamni. So Madhurya Kadamni means that that cloud that about to give rain is very beautiful. It becomes Madhurya, that means it attracts the heart. Our Acharyas, Vishnu Chakri, Thakur Pad and other Acharyas have said, just in the eastern direction, that you can see that cloud is there. It is about to give rain. It becomes very beautiful, especially in the summer season. It will give cooling. That's why when people see this very cloud, very cloud, the people become so attracted to that. That will start raining, and that time 1 or 2 drops are falling down. In the same time, there is the sun. Sunlight is also there. So what happens at that time? It makes it beautiful. And because of this light rain, very light rain in the eastern direction, at that time a rainbow is there. It is now this rainbow is on top of the dark cloud. And that time the 7 type it is so this beautiful rain cloud is on top of this cloud. Rainbow. Rainbow. When we see this rainbow on the cloud, and in the beautiful rays that time from the sun, very effulgent rays, just like gold.
और वो सूर्य की किरण जब झिलमिल झिलमिल करता है,
and that
उस समय
at the,
बादल की मधुरिमा,
at that time, because of the
जो है,
effect of the rain of the
यह तात्पर्य यही
the
है
kiran, the rays of the sun on the cloud, then automatically you have this rainbow. This
कृष्ण की अंगकांति से
so now we are comparing this cloud to the bodily complexion of Shri Krishna, and now the rainbow is comparing to Radha Rani.
और सूर्य की प्रातःकाल की सूर्य की किरण जो है,
And the morning
वो
rays
आकर के
of the sun, morning rays,
श्रीमती
morning sun rays,
की अंगकांति, उज्जवल जो अंगकांति तप्तकांचन गौरांगी है, उसमें जब लग जाता है,
so this now this beautiful golden sun rays in the morning, it is touching the black cloud.
कृष्ण और श्रीमती राधिका,
It meaning it shows
और दोनों ही जो है
how-
एकत्र मिलित होकर
how the meeting of Radha and Krishna, and how and they both came as the meeting of Radha and Krishna, they manifested as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
है। सूर्य की किरण के साथ मैंने तुलना दी राधा जी के अंगकांति।
So the sun rays, the beautiful golden sun rays, is compared to the body complexion of Radharani,
अंगकांति के द्वारा आवृत हो गए, ढके हुए।
and Krishna is being covered by this by the complexion of Radharani. So inside he is blackish Krishna, and external is Taptakanchana molten gold complexion of Radharani. So there is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
वही चैतन्य महा, वही कृष्ण राधा जी के भाव और कांति के
So
द्वारा
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming with the complexion and the moods of Radharani
आवृत होकर के गौरांग के रूप में
came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
इसलिए माधुर्य कादम्बरी के दो अर्थ में बताया।
So therefore two meanings of Madhurakamni.
कृष्ण मानो
Two meanings.
राधा जी के साथ,
One is the meeting of Radha and Krishna.
अर्थात राधा कृष्ण एकत्रित होते हैं। और दूसरी क्या है?
Another meaning is,
राधा कृष्ण की मिलित होते हैं।
and when another thing, that's the form, because when Radha and Krishna come as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
इससे हृदय के जो है अत्यंत जो है
and it and very beautiful, their beautiful form very attracts the mind.
सरकार है, जीवन प्रभु राधा और कृष्ण, और एक
One form is Radha, beautiful form of Radha and Krishna. Another side is the beautiful form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
राधा के भाव और अंगकांति के
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepting the mood and complexion of Radharani, and very beautiful coming into this world.
प्रतिपाद्य विषय है।
So the topic of this book,
प्राप्ति करें।
how we can attain the prema of Radha and Krishna,
और वही प्रेम प्राप्ति करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए?
and what we should,
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
what
है।
to get that prema of Radha Krishna, what do we need? We need the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
गौरांग महाप्रभु की अनुगत्य स्वीकार नहीं करें,
Unless we accept the Anugatya, that means the guidance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
कृपा जब तक हम प्राप्त
and
नहीं
or
करें,
unless we get the
तब तक
mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
प्रेम माधुर्य
we
हम
can
आस्वादन
we can never taste the prem of Radha and Krishna unless we take the guidance of Radha of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
माधुर्य
Therefore, Vishnu Chakri Thakur has mentioned this Madhurya Kadamni.
यथा यथा गौर पदार विंदे विंदे भुवा कृतपुण्य पुंजा तथा तथा सप्रति हृदि अकस्मात्।
This verse is by Prabhupada Saraswati, where he is saying,
इस संस्कृत श्लोक में कहते हैं ये यथा यथा गौर पदार
Padar Vinde.
जिस प्रकार से
Just as much as we take shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus feet, the more we surrender on his lotus feet,
ठीक उसी प्रकार
the same proportion
राधा की प्रेम माधुर्य
we can understand the prem madhurya of Radha will come in our heart. Anything?
अनेकों जन्म की सुकृति
After millions of lives of Shukriti,
एकत्रित होने पर
when it all matures, that Jeev, he will take shelter of the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
और वही चैतन्य महाप्रभु के चरणाश्रय लेकर के जब गौर अनुगत्य में
And taking the shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus feet and taking his under his guidance, serving Radharani,
साथ में
then at once,
वृंदावन की सेवा
He's, both he's doing Vrindavan Seva and Navdeep Dham Seva at the same time, simultaneously. He attains the service of both. And separation. The serving of Radha Govinda is known as Sambhog Seva, that means the meeting Seva. Service in meeting. The house where Radha Krishna meeting and serving them, and the service of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the mood of serving, in the mood of separation. Sambhog. The meeting. This meeting and separations are both linked. They both linked to prem. They both two sides of prem. They both assisting in nourishing. They both nourishing. Just like a river is going, has two sides, two banks. It's not possible to have only one bank. So there's two sides. They go together.
Two banks of the river.
Just like he was explaining, there are two banks. Yes. So one side is prem and one side is sambhog, one side is vipralambha, one side is meeting, one side is separation. So there's meeting and separation. This separation is nourishing milan, meeting. So it is said in Ujjvala Nilamani that without vipralambha, without separation, meeting cannot be nourished. It makes it increasing the enthusiasm in meeting, the separation. It is a life. It gives life to meeting. The more separation there is, there's so much eagerness for meeting and happy. This is a specialty of transcendental world. What things we don't have, there's so much eagerness to get that thing. When it increases more and more, when we get that thing, that time we get so much bliss. Just for example, one does not have any son, so he does a lot of tapasya. That means a lot of austerities to get that child. He has so much eagerness to get some child because he doesn't have any child. So he does lots of austerities, whatever is required to get a child. So when he gets a child, that time he gets so much gets bliss in his and happiness in his heart. So this tyag, that means this austerities is performed, this hard austerities he had performed, gives bliss to his heart when he gets the child. So this is about material life. So in the same way, the more you have separation, at that time, at the meeting is so much more blissful, more happiness is there. Therefore, it is without separation, how separation, it nourishes the meeting. Just like we put how we color our clothes, the more you put the dye, the same the cloth will change the color. This is saffron. Maharaj is saying like the saffron color. The more we put this dye, the saffron dye, automatically it becomes more and more deep, more dark.
डुबा हुआ।
the more time we put this water in the
वो उतना ही
the more time we put the clothes in this water full of dye, the more and more it becomes a dark, deep color.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
यह प्रेम राज्य में
in the king, in the realm of divine love,
प्रेम राज्य में विप्रलम्ब ही क्या करते हैं?
Vipralambas,
पुष्टि
it nourishes Vipralamba, that means separation nourishes meeting, increases the meeting more and more.
महाप्रभु की
Therefore,
लीला में क्या करते हैं?
in the
विप्रलम्ब हमें सृष्टि करते हैं।
therefore in the Mahaprabhu's pastime, prominent is Vipralamba mode.
महाप्रभु की लीला, नवदीप लीला में ये विप्रलम्बमय था।
We see this in the Navdeep Leela and Jagannath Puri Leela.
विरह हुआ।
This in this separation mood, when it condenses
मिलन के जो है आस्वादन कराते हैं।
and makes one taste and nourishes, makes one taste meeting and nourishes meeting.
जितने विप्रलम्ब होते हैं,
The more and more separation is there, the more meeting relation is there.
तात्पर्य क्या है? कृष्ण और राधा जी के बाद राधा जी कृष्ण के साथ मिलने के लिए तड़प रही है।
Radharani, Vipralamba means Radharani is trembling so much,
विच्छेद से बच।
it's so much eager. Radharani is feeling so much separation from Krishna and so eager to meet Krishna.
अपने प्रिय वस्तु के साथ मिलन की उत्कंठा हो।
It's that separation, it's so much increasing the eagerness in Radharani to meet with Krishna.
कृष्ण मथुरा में है, राधा जी कहाँ विराजमान है?
Krishna is in Mathura and Radharani is in Vrindavan. And separation is there.
तो राधा जी कृष्ण के साथ मिलने के लिए प्रगाढ़ उत्कंठा प्रकाश।
And she explained so much deep separation and eagerness is there to meet with Krishna.
और वही श्रीमती राधा के विप्रलम्ब भाव दर्शन करने के लिए कृष्ण मथुरा से भ्रमण के रूप में
To meet, to relish that separation mood of Radharani, Krishna comes in the form of a bumblebee to taste this mood, to have darshan, to have see how Radharani is relishing this separation,
कैसे तड़पती है।
how Radharani is feeling so much separation from,
नहीं आता है।
because I don't feel so much separation from her. Krishna is saying,
मेरे विरह में विच्छेद में
in my,
राधा जी कैसे तड़पती है।
how is Radharani is feeling so much separation from me? How
मेरा
much
इतना तड़पना नहीं आता।
I'm not feeling so much separation. Sometimes I cry, but I don't feel this deep separation.
किंतु राधा जी मेरे विरह में
But
कैसे
Radharani
तड़पती
in my separation, how much she is suffering, how much what is she is feeling.
है। वृंदावन में श्रीमती राधिका कृष्ण विरह में कभी कमाल दृश्य के देख रहे कृष्ण मन कर
So in Vrindavan, Radharani is seeing a tamal tree, darkish like Krishna. Automatically she embraces, thinking this is Krishna.
समझ गए एक हो जाए ये कृष्ण
She thinks this is Krishna. This is a tamal tree.
है। और कृष्ण मानकर इसको
And thinking it is Krishna, she is embracing that tree.
कृष्ण करे मेरा तो ऐसे नहीं होता।
Krishna saying, I don't see. Krishna say, I cannot see trees like that. The tree is Radharani. So, how deep is Radharani?
कोई कदम मिट सके देख करके
Krishna is saying, when I see a kadam tree, I don't see this is Radharani and embrace. My heart is not so deep. But Radharani,
जहाँ जहाँ पर कृष्ण
where she ever sees his tamal tree, anything that is blackish,
कोई वस्तु हो
she,
वो देखने से उनकी बुद्धि बना।
automatically she thinks of it is like a stimulus for Krishna, just like a dark cloud. She is trembling. I want to embrace that cloud. This is like Krishna.
मैं मेरे तो ऐसे नहीं होता।
Krishna is saying, I am not like that. I have prayed for Radharani. This is true. I have prayed for her. I have prayed for Radha, and Radharani has prayed for me. She loves me. But when we see on both sides, when we compare, when we put a scale, when we check, we compare. The Radharani is praying for me, and the other side is Krishna's praying for Radharani, and on the other side is Radha's praying for Krishna. When we compare, when we scale, put on scale, that time we see that Radharani's, that Krishna's praying for Radharani is very light, and Radharani's praying is so heavy that Krishna's praying is very light in front of that. Because I don't have this deep praying for Radha. Yes, I suffer in when I'm feeling separation from Radha. It is true. Therefore, Krishna is saying, Uddhav, She said, Krishna held the hands of Radharani and told Krishna held the hands of Uddhav and told him, go and pacify my mother and the Braj Gopis. The gopis are suffering in separation from me. Go and give them my message. So Krishna is saying to Uddhav, there's two things. It's Krishna saying, my friends, my parents, and pacify them. But to gopis, the gopis, he didn't tell that you should pacify the gopis. What did he say? Give message. Sandesha. But he said don't pacify. No, he didn't say to pacify the gopis, but he said give my message. Sandesh is one type of sweet message. Sandesh is not the sweet, but a message. Give him my news. But Krishna knows that parents can be somehow pacified. My friends can somehow be pacified. But the Braj Gopis cannot be pacified. So he said, give my message to the gopis because he knows that he cannot be pacified. In Braj, there's three types of prem. One is Utkantamay prem with deep enthusiasm. One is Vivek Sunya, that means without discrimination. Vishwambar prem, there's so much deep affection. Somebody. Utkantamay prem. In Braj, there's three types of prem. Utkantamay prem. It's so much eagerness, so much enthusiasm there. This Utkantamay prem is completely in the heart, in the full form, in the heart of the gopis. And in that type of prem, that will never reduce, that Vira separation will not reduce until they have darshan of Krishna. The speciality of Utkantamay prem, that the separation, that person will not be pacified till he has darshan of Krishna. This prem is also present in Nanda and Yashoda, but not in such a full form as much as in the gopis. Vivek Sunya. Vishwambar. The other one is Vishwambar prem. This Vishwambar prem is in the cowhead boys, the friends of Krishna. Shubal Siddham, Madhu Mangal and so on. They have this Vishwambar prem. It is very Ganesh, that means very, very condensed. Vivek Sunya. Another one is Vivek Shunya prem. This Vivek Sunya, this is present in the animals and trees of Vrindavan. The trees, leaves, because everything in Vrindavan is transcendental. All of them have prem. Everything in Vrindavan is transcendental. There's nothing material or dull. Everything is transcendental. Therefore, the trees, trees and animals are known as Vivek Sunya. The three types of prem. One is Utkantamay prem. One is full of deep eagerness. That prem is fully manifest in the Braj Gopis and to a lesser extent in to Yashoda Maiya and Nanda Maharaj.
और दूसरी प्रकार के प्रेम क्या होता है?
And the other prem, Vishwambar prem, is in the sakas, in the cowherd boys. So much deep love is there for in Sridham, Subal, Sudham, Sridham, Subal, Madhuvankal. And the other type of prem is Vivek Sunya, which is present in the animals, birds, and trees and grass of Braj. I will speak a bit, elaborate on this.
जैसे मैंने कहा उत्कंठामयी प्रेम गोपियों में है, उसके वैशिष्ट्य क्या है?
What is the characteristic or speciality of Utkanta, my prem? That means unless they have darshan of Krishna, even the Krishna might say, unless they meet with Krishna, this separation, the fire of separation, it will not reduce.
कभी reduce नहीं हो सकता। वो जो विरह जो है, उसमें कृष्ण साक्षात रूप में उनके साथ मिले, तो हो सकता है उनकी
when only when Krishna meets with them, that time the fire of separation will reduce.
और दूसरी प्रेम क्या होता है?
And the other Vishwambar prem.
विश्रम्भ प्रेम।
In Vishwambar prem, in the sakas,
इस प्रेम के एक वैशिष्ट्य होता है।
the speciality of this prem is that
सखा लोग सदा सर्वदा कृष्ण के साथ नहीं रहते।
because the sakas them not stay full time with Krishna,
खेल-कूद आदि के समय
they only are together when they're playing, when they cowherd pastimes. That's the only time they're with Krishna.
और बाकी समय कृष्ण से दूर हो जाते
The rest of the time they are separated from Krishna.
सखाओं के ऐसे लगता है
Therefore,
कि
the
कृष्ण
sakas
हमारे साथ है।
therefore the sakas are always thinking that Krishna is with
कुछ
us.
समय के लिए हो सकता है कृष्ण
Maybe for some time
अपने गृह में चले गए।
he's gone to his house.
इसलिए जहाँ पर अत्यंत घनिष्ठ संबंध हो जाता है, इसलिए हमारे पास है।
So therefore, because the deep separation, that Krishna is always with us.
विश्रम्भ प्रेम में ऐसी स्थिति हो जाती है।
There is so much deep love is there. They always think Krishna is with us.
तो कृष्ण और लवंग आदि सोच रहे हैं।
Subal and Sridham, Ravang, Krishna. They always
वृंदावन से मथुरा चले गए।
the Krishna is
मन
going
में
to.
वृंदावन मथुरा से वृंदावन आकर के हम लोग के साथ गोचारण आदि करते हैं।
He's gone to Mathura, but he's still coming. He's come back to Vrindavan and he's doing cowherd pastimes with us.
तीसरी प्रेम क्या होता है?
And the third prem is Vivek
उसमें क्या होता है? विवेक सुन माने?
Sunya
वो
mix
अपने विवेक के द्वारा
with their.
स्थापन नहीं कर नहीं पा रहे हैं।
They cannot.
ये कृष्ण ब्रज में है कि ब्रज छोड़ के चले?
They don't know where Krishna is in Braj or not in Braj.
कृष्ण तो हमारे साथ नहीं आ रहे, मिल रहे हैं। किंतु तथापि अपने विवेक के द्वारा वो
But they don't have the intelligence. Ki whether Krishna, because Krishna intelligence. Ki because Krishna.
गोचारण तो जाते हैं।
Because when Krishna goes cowherding, he goes from one forest and forest. Doesn't mean Krishna goes to the same forest every day. Sometimes he goes to Bandirvat, sometimes he goes to Talvan, sometimes he goes to other forest, sometimes to Madhuvan.
एक वन में तो नहीं है, इसलिए वृक्ष आदि जो है
Because
ये सोचते हैं।
he doesn't go to every forest, same thing. So the trees are always thinking, oh, Krishna will come today, Krishna will come today.
मधुवन से तालवन
Oh, Krishna is coming from Madhuvan to Talvan. So he's always thinking, oh, Krishna will come now, Krishna will come now.
आने में देर में हो सकता है कृष्ण काल आएंगे।
Maybe Krishna will come tomorrow.
जरूरी नहीं है कृष्ण हर रोज
Because it is not necessary that Krishna will go to the same forest again in the same
different days
because
different
forest.
गोचारण के लिए हर रोज नहीं है।
So the
इसलिए सोचते हैं कृष्ण
so the
काल
trees are thinking, oh, Krishna will come here tomorrow.
आएंगे। हमें तड़पते तो हैं।
They're feeling separation from Krishna,
इसलिए से कृष्ण
but they know.
वृंदावन में है कि वृंदावन में है।
So they cannot determine whether Krishna is in Vrindavan or Krishna is in Mathura.
किंतु कृष्ण विरह में ये भी तड़पते
But they are also feeling separation and in the fire of separation from Krishna.
हैं। मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है और चैतन्य महाप्रभु सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि एक साधक और सिद्ध के लिए यह प्रेम की एक विशेष शिक्षा है।
He's giving this special teaching for the sadhak and for the siddha. For the sadhak should realize about separation.
जब मैं कृष्ण के दास हूँ,
The first he should understand I am the servant of Krishna and I have separated from
कृष्ण से बिछोड़ करके और इस माया में मैं,
and I'm in this world of Maya and suffering in this world of Maya.
कृष्ण भूरी
Say Jeev Anadir Bahirmukh
अनादि बहिर्मुख
Atevam Maya Tarate Krishna. By forgetting,
कृष्ण
turning my face away from Krishna. Krishna is my worshipable deity, and turning my face away from Krishna, I have come to this world of Maya.
माया मुझे
And Maya, this is beating me up and giving me separation.
कृष्ण भूरी से जीव अनादि बहिर्मुख
अतएव माया तारे
संसार दुख में जीते हैं। और फिर हम कृष्ण से कैसे मिले?
So how can we meet with Krishna? How can we turn our face towards Krishna?
इसलिए शिक्षाष्टक भी ऐसे
Therefore, Shastaka, Mahaprabhu is giving these verses.
वही नंद तनुज
Kinkara.
किंकर, हे नंदनंदन
Oh Nanda Nandan Krishna,
मैं आपके किंकर हूँ,
I'm your kinkar, I'm your servant, I'm a das, I'm a servant.
और आपके भूल करके सेवा नहीं करके इस माइक जगत में
And giving up your service,
और माया
by not
मुझे
serving
सुना,
you, I am coming in this world, and Maya, in this world, Maya is beating me up, is weeping me every day.
तनुज किंकरम
Patitan,
विषमय भवामधु,
Kripaya Tava
हैं? कृपया तो पाद पंकज
Kripaya, so please give me merciful to me and give me the dust of your lotus feet. Give me a place at your lotus feet.
ये विरह में महाप्रभु
So in this separation, Mahaprabhu
ये विरह के हमें
is showing us, is teaching us how we should worship Krishna in this mode of separation. That I am the eternal servant of Krishna, and the duty of the servant is to serve Krishna. But instead of serving Krishna, we are serving Maya,
ऐसे निर्लज्ज है,
and Maya is so shameless.
सेवा करते हैं तो प्रसन्न हो जाए।
She's never pleased with us, even though we are serving her. She's so shameless.
नो वसंती कामादिरं कुदिदा पालिता दुर्निदेशा तेषां जतमि नोत्रपा नो वसंती। माया ऐसी है, मुझे काम क्रोध में
Maya has put me in calm, the pool of calm and growth, lust and anger.
कुदिदां पालिता दुर्निदेशा, माया के ऐसे दुर्निदेश आदेश को मैं पालन कर रहा हूँ।
I'm following the order of Maya,
तथापि माया देवी मेरा पसंद नहीं,
and still Maya is not happy
और
with
माया
me
देवी क्या करती है?
and putting
मुझे चाबुक नहीं
and weeping me,
कर नहीं पाता हूँ, उनके आदेश पालन करने में असक्षम होने पर
being not able to serve her properly. She never shows any compassion on me. She never shows any compassion to me.
उनके भी लज्जा भी नहीं,
She's shameless.
माया के थोड़ी सी लज्जा है, अरे ये व्यक्ति
She never thinks that,
काम करते करते बेचारा
that he's serving me so much that I should.
रात को एक और दया प्रकाश कर,
But she never gives compassion to that person, even though that person is.
माया देवी और
She's making work hard and hard,
है, कर नहीं पाते, चाबुक मारे,
and always weeping that person.
मर जाओ कोई भी बात नहीं।
Doesn't matter if you die.
कृपा कृपा मानी लज्जा,
She has no shame. She's shameless.
लज्जा, माया की तनिक भी लज्जा नहीं, नो उपशांति, और उनमें शांति तो नहीं है,
And she also is not peaceful.
हैं? दया नहीं, हैं? इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु की कार्य हे कृष्ण अपने चरण कमल की जो है,
Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is praying, please place me like a dust at your lotus feet. Give me shelter of your lotus feet.
क्या बोलते हैं श्लोक, वही नंद तनुज
किंकरम पति।
वामधु, हे नंदनंदन कृष्ण,
Oh Nanda Nandan Krishna,
वही नंद तनुज किंकर,
oh, kin-
मैं आपके किंकर,
I am really, in reality, your eternal servant.
आदर में कष्ट भोग,
But forgetting you have come to this world and I am suffering so much, and daily Maya is weeping me.
किंतु माया भी मेरे ऊपर प्रसन्न नहीं।
Maya is not, even though I am working so hard, but Maya is never pleased with me and always beating me. So that's why I am taking shelter of your lotus feet. Please, Mitchell. So Mahaprabhu is teaching us how to serve in separation.
छोटे छोटे संसार में
how we have how we are separated from Krishna
हम भगवान से कैसे
and in suffering in this
और
world
दूसरी क्या बोलता है
and how to meet. See,
विप्रलम्भ भाव
Vipulamba Bhav is showing us
ये कृष्ण गोपियों के साथ मिलने के लिए जिस प्रकार तड़पते हैं उससे कोटि गुण
just like how Krishna is feeling separation from the gopis and want to meet with the gopis, but the gopis and especially Radharani, her separation is millions of times more than Krishna's separation.
समझ में आया? विप्रलम्भ भाव हैं? कृष्ण इसलिए कह रहे हैं
Therefore, Krishna is
मेरे
saying,
हृदय में इतने विप्रलम्भ नहीं है।
I don't have so much separation from Radharani as much as how much separation Radharani feels for me. I'm feeling some separation, I'm suffering something, but I'm not suffering as much as the gopi, especially Radharani is feeling towards. But in my separation, Radharani is embracing Tamal tree.
देख करके राधा जी सोचती है ये कृष्ण है और मुझे आपको तरफ तमाल में से कृष्ण मान करके आलिंगन कर लिया। कृष्ण कह रहे हैं मेरे तो ऐसे ही नहीं हुआ
But I don't feel like this separation from Radharani.
गौरांगी है
Radharani is
ऐसे गौरांगी वस्तु के देख करके
Radha is molten golden form. I never see anything. If I see anything golden, I don't feel this. I don't see that as Radharani.
में कौन सा बल है
But Radharani's prem has so much strength, so much shakti, potency
ऐसे प्रेम में तड़पती है
that she's feeling so much. When she's separation, when she feels she's suffering so much, and whatever blackish she sees, she thinks this is Krishna.
वृंदावन में राधा जी को प्रेम माधुर्य आस्वादन करने के लिए व दर्शन करने के लिए किस रूप में आए हैं
So that Krishna to taste the mood of Radharani has come as Mahaprabhu
कोई कथा को सुनने के लिए
to hear the
ये
katha.
मेरे प्रति कितना
That
प्रगाढ़ है
how much deep prem, how deep is Radharani's prem for me.
प्रेम की हम कुछ ये कर सकते हैं थोड़ी मेजरमेंट कर सकते हैं
Only during the time of separation we can measure something of this
मिलन
prem.
नहीं होता है।
During time of meeting we cannot measure this how deep this prem.
जब मिलन होता है
But when this when
उस समय हम प्रेम को नाप नहीं सकते
during the time of meeting we cannot understand how deep that prem is. But during the time of separation then we can realize how deep is that prem.
At the stage of separation. Separation में इस समय हम मिलन नहीं नाप सकते इसलिए कहते हैं जो वस्तु जितने कठिन होता है उसके नापने के लिए कठिन होता है और जो वस्तु तरल होता है उसके नापने
That
के
is
लिए
the thing that is very difficult to get, that is very hard to measure, where something that is easy to attain is very easy. Just like water that is liquid.
एक बाल्टी जल पानी रखा
So you can collect one bucket of water.
है वन पैकेट हो उसमें हाथ को जल्दी घुसा सकते हैं
You can easily put your hand and measure how much water there is, or you can easily measure how much water there is.
और एक प्रस्तर खंड को नापने के लिए आपको मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा
Whereas
ये दैर्घ्य कितना है प्रस्तर कितना है
to like how much width and depth, height, no?
ब्रॉड एंड हाइट
To how much, say for example, rock is in cement or one height, then you have to look, you need to find the volume. You have to calculate the volume.
पत्थर को नापने के लिए क्या चाहिए क्या नापोगे एक पत्थर के क्षेत्रफल क्या है
If you piece of a rock, if you want a piece of rock or anything like that, you have to
हैं
area volume.
क्या क्या करना है
How to measure the?
पुस्तक के गुण को
If you want to calculate the area of what this rock covers, then you have to see what is the length, what is the width,
और कितने मीटर
width.
चौड़ाई है तो उससे क्षेत्रफल हम कर सकते
Then you can measure that.
हैं
Then
10
how to?
मीटर जब एक क्या बोलते चलो 100 मीटर एक जमीन के दैर्घ्य 100 मीटर 50 मीटर चौड़ाई उसे क्षेत्रफल कितना होगा
For example, if the
वर्ग मीटर से देखें।
For example, if there's 100 length is 100 meters and the width is 5, then 5,000. The area is 5,000 meters squared.
मैथमेटिक्स है ना हाइट 100 मीटर
100 meters.
लंबाई और चौड़ाई
Acha, 50.
है
So 50 meters by 100 meters. That means 5,000 meters squared.
कितना होगा वर्ग क्षेत्र 50 into 50
So if it's 50 meters by 50 meters, then it's 2,500 meters square. Just to, for example, because water is subtle, simple, flowing, then you can easily measure and with your hand and say this is what the how much water there is. Therefore, during time of meeting, one cannot calculate the measurement of how deep the prem is during meeting, but you can calculate the prem when they're suffering. Because in the time of meeting, it can be only with the body, not with the mind. Oh, in the time of meeting, when the boy and girl is sitting together, but we don't know where the mind is. But in separation, at the time the mind, through mind, they are meeting with their subtle body, because they always think of that person. Because his body is gross and his mind is subtle. Therefore, in separation, because we always think, then we can understand only how deep that prema is only during the time of separation. So when do we think of a person? When we don't have that thing, we start thinking about it. If there's some valuable thing, we got something, and we kept it with us for many days when we enjoyed it, and then what happened? It got lost. What happened? You're always thinking about that. At all times you're thinking about eating, sleeping, and even in dreams you're thinking about that thing. Where is it gone? Where is it gone? For example, you have some big jewel, it is with you. It is very beautiful. And after some time, that jewel, you lost it. Then what happens? You're always thinking about that thing. In separation, you're always thinking about that. And whatever how you're enjoying with that thing, you always. For example, very beautiful. You had the diamond. That time you put in the pocket, always seeing it, always observing. And it's after some time that diamond got lost. It was very dear to you. If you're not meeting, you think about it. So always think of that. You're always thinking, even in the dreams you think, oh, the diamond is with me and I'm doing. Just why after losing it, we have so much of affection, attachment to that thing. For example, when you love with someone, and that time remembrance, when you're together, you don't think of each other so much. But in separation, in this world, in marriage, together, when they're together, then always. So when they're in separation, then you remember them more. Bhagwan himself is saying, just like when the husband have gone to a different country, a chaste woman is always thinking about the husband. When will he come back? When will he come back? Therefore, same when Krishna has gone to Mathura, at that time Radharani is thinking, when will Krishna come back? And then by thinking of Krishna all the time, that automatically all the pastimes of Krishna and Radha came in her mind. How Krishna is to joke with us, how he is to laugh with us.
राधा जी बैठी है, कृष्ण कृष्ण विरह में बैठी है।
Radharani is sitting thinking of Krishna in separation.
राधा एकता राधा हृदय हुईलो। एक समय राधा जी अकेला बैठी हुई।
Once Radharani is sitting alone, and no Sakhi is no one is there. Radharani,
राधा हुईलो अंतरे कथा।
and she's suffering in the fire of separation from Krishna. She's always thinking when Krishna come on, and remembering all the pastimes of Krishna Braj, and all the pastimes Krishna, all the pastimes he performed with us, all his pastimes. Sometimes Krishna, when Radharani is sitting on her own, sometimes Krishna puts his from behind. Krishna puts his hand on Radharani's eyes. Who am I? Sometimes we play, we put our hands and say, "Who are we? Who am I? Who am I?"
जिसके साथ प्रेम अवसर करते हैं, उसका आंखें बंद करो ऐसे करके दो, कौन है दिखाई पड़ेगा। आज जिसके सामने प्रीति नहीं है, पूरा उसका आंखें बंद करके।
And as Maharaj is saying, those who have prem, love is there, they don't cover the eyes so completely. But when you don't have prem, you automatically put the eyes so tightly. So that when you have prem with someone, the eyes you don't cover them so tightly. But when you don't have prem, they automatically you cover the eyes so tightly. So sometimes Krishna is to come and cover the eyes of Radharani. Then Sakhi say, "Who is here? Who has come?" Maybe Lalita. Radharani saying Lalita. Krishna said, "I'm not Lalita, I'm Shyam." Because Radharani, just by Krishna's hand, automatically she knows who it is. But still, knowingly, she says, "Oh, this is Lalita or Vishaka." Sorry.
जैसे मैंने कल कहा, सूर्य किस दिशा पर उदित होता है? दक्षिण दिशा में। तो कहा हाँ आप देखो तो मैं नहीं।
Because he says, knowingly I said the sun rises from the south. Similarly, even though it's coming from the east. Radharani is sitting on own. Krishna touches the eyes. Krishna covers the eyes of Radharani. Then Radharani, even though she knows that this is Krishna, Radharani knows that this is Krishna's hand. Still, Radharani knowingly she says, "Oh, this is Lalita." Then Krishna comes and says, "This is teasing." Krishna says, "Oh, this is me, not Lalita." So, in the separation from Krishna, Radharani is sitting on her own, and she is feeling so much separation, and she's thinking of this pastime, and seeing this pastime, Radharani is smiling, is laughing. Because in separation, one is always get spurti, always have vision of meeting. Even though she's suffering in separation, in the fire of separation from Krishna, but in the meeting, she's feeling so much. She has vision of I'm meeting with Krishna, and she feels some happiness is coming there. Therefore, it's saying meeting in separation, and in Milan, in meeting there's also separation. This is pastime of Prem Sarovar. For example, the Prem Sarovar, when Madhu Mangal said, "Oh, Madhusudan has gone away." Bee, because sometimes the bee is also Madhusudan, and one of the names of Krishna. One of name of bumblebee is Madhusudan. One of Krishna's name Madhusudan. That time when Madhu Mangal said, "Oh, I have chased Madhusudan away," then Radharani thought that, "Oh, Krishna has gone away." Even though Radharani was sitting in the lap of Krishna, still she felt so much separation. Krishna is saying, "This kind of love I don't have for Radharani."
राधा के विरह में मैं तो तड़पती हूँ।
Yes, I'm feeling some separation from Radharani and I'm suffering little bit,
ऐसे तड़पना,
but I'm not suffering
इस
as
प्रकार
much as
विरह
Radharani.
मेरा है। इसलिए मैंने किसने कहा ये माधुर्य कादम्बिनी के शब्द की जो अर्थ हम व्यक्त करते
Because I'm speaking about the meaning of Madhurya Kadamni,
ये इतने सुंदर प्रेम की घनीभूत अवस्था,
but it's showing this deep Ghani
एक
Badani condensed mood of prem.
एक राधा कृष्ण
And one side is Radha Krishna, and the other side is the meeting of the Radha Krishna, combined form of Radha Krishna is Mahaprabhu. So the topic of this book, Madhurya Kadam,
के प्रतिपाद्य विषय क्या है?
the main topic of this book is
ये जीवन पर राधा कृष्ण की प्रेम माधुर्य की प्रकाश।
how can we attain the prem of Radha Krishna, and the other topic is
औदार्यमय विग्रह
the most munificent form, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the sweetness of the form, how to manifest the sweetness of the most munificent Mahaprabhu.
What is the
Topic.
about this ग्रंथ? बताओ तो कुछ क्या समझ? राधा कृष्ण की प्रेम की माधुर्यता की घनीभूत अवस्था के बारे में।
How is speaking about the deep prem
और दूसरी
of Radha and Krishna, the condensed
चैतन्य
prem.
महाप्रभु की प्रलंब की महाप्रभु उदारमय विग्रह चैतन्य महाप्रभु की प्रेम की
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the personification of munificent, how to manifesting the sweetness of Mahaprabhu.
संभोगमय लीला।
And Radha Krishna's pastime is Sambhogmai Leela, meeting pastime, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's is a separation pastime.
मिलन और विप्रलंब है, ये दोनों ही जो है
Meeting and
प्रेम
separation
राज्य की
is
कथा है।
is a topic of the kingdom of Prem.
अपने जगत में क्या कथा है?
What is the
प्रेम राज्य की कथा।
what is the katha of the spiritual world? What is katha? It's always meeting and separation, separation and meeting. This is the topic in the spiritual world.
विरह विरह मिलन। वही प्रेम को जो है एक साधक निम्न स्तर से लेकर के उच्च
So
स्तर
this
तक
sadhak,
कैसे
how can he progress from the most small stage to the topmost step? So step by step this is mentioned how he can come to this level.
इसलिए माधुर्य कादम्बिनी जैसे बारिश होती है,
Just like Madhurya
बारिश
Kadam.
होने से हृदय शीतल हो जाता है।
At the time of summer, especially in summer time, when it rains, the heart becomes specified, becomes cool. It will.
इसलिए श्री विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद इस ग्रंथ में कितने चैप्टर हैं? 8 चैप्टर।
This book has got 8 chapters. 8 chapters.
8 चैप्टर। और आप चैप्टर एक चैप्टर के दृष्टि
And each chapter is different rain, is different times of rain. First rainfall, second rainfall, 8.
किंतु क्योंकि माधुर्य कादम्बिनी बरसाना देने वाले तो बादल है, उसमें पानी टपक रहे हैं। 8 चैप्टर, 8 स्तर परिचय।
So 8 chapters I had 8 sections.
एक-एक स्तर के इसमें बता दे जाए।
They talk about different levels of.
कैसे एक साधारण साधक
So how an ordinary person, how ordinary sadhak,
ऐसे उच्च स्तर
they
में
come to the topmost level.
अर्थात श्रद्धा सत्संग
From Shraddha, Sadhu, Sang, Bhadrakriya, Anartivirti,
निष्ठा रुचि
Ashak,
आसक्ति
Bhav,
भाव
and
और
Prem.
प्रेम।
Come through this
प्रेम
all
में
this.
बीच बात है, एक विप्रलंब और एक
In Prem, there's two sides, Prem and Vipralamba, meeting and separation.
जगत जीवों की जय शिक्षा दे।
So Sachinandan Gaurhari came to give instruction to all the living it,
प्रेम को हम कैसे प्राप्ति करें?
how we can attain this Prem,
वही प्रेम प्राप्ति करने के तरीका किसमें है?
and what is the process to attain this Prem. Trinath,
नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा ही वो
only this Prem we can be attained through Nam Sankirtan.
और वो नाम संकीर्तन कैसे हम करें? नहीं, 4 प्रकार के गुणों के द्वारा।
We can only do this Nam Sankirtan with these 4 qualities.
श्री कृष्ण भजने यदि मानस उपहार परम जतने तब लह अधिकार दन्न दया अन्य मान प्रतिष्ठा वर्जन 4 गुणे गुणी है या श्री कृष्ण कीर्तन। यदि तुम्हें वो नाम संकीर्तन करना है,
If you want to do Nam Kirtan to attain this Prem,
4 क्वालिफिकेशन को आपको
then you have to get these 4 qualifications.
ग्रहण करना है। You have to acquire
These 4
4
qualifications to do Nam Sankirtan to get this Prem.
हम आपको वो क्या है? दैन्य, दया, अन्यमान और प्रतिष्ठा।
Dainya means humility.
श्री कृष्ण भजन यदि
Mati nahi. Book दो.
श्री कृष्ण कीर्तन यदि मानस द्वार परम जतने तब लह। यदि श्री कृष्ण कीर्तन तुम्हारी इच्छा हो, मन
If you desire to do Krishna,
तब लह अधिकार अत्यंत जतने के साथ
with endeavor, carefully you should get these four qualities.
तो क्या है?
Dainya, that means humility. Daya means compassion. Anyama, honor everyone and no desire for own honor.
और वही नाम संकीर्तन कैसे करें?
How will you do Nam Kirtan?
श्री कृष्ण कीर्तन 4 गुण को आप
So to do Kirtan you need these four qualities.
यही महाप्रभु जगत को शिक्षा दिया।
So this instruction Mahaprabhu gave to living entities. How all the Raj is repeating again and again that whatever I am speaking about how much katha, only reason for this is to get ruchi, taste for the holy name.
जितने परिमाण तुम्हारे श्रवण में रुचि होगा,
the more
उतना ही परिमाण तुम्हारा नाम
the more we get attachment for taste for Shravan. It's not possible that one has taste for hearing but not for chanting. The more one has taste for chanting, for hearing, automatically that much taste for chanting will come.
दाल में कला है,
There's something wrong. There's something wrong if one has taste for hearing but not taste for chanting.
हिंदी प्रोग्राम का
Something's wrong.
कोई कहते हैं कथा में हमारा कथा में तो आनंद हो रहा है,
Some people-
नाम में आनंद होता, नाम में रुचि होगी लेकिन तो कथा में आनंद नहीं होगा।
It's not, if one does not have taste in chanting, that means one cannot have real taste in hearing. When one has real taste in hearing, automatically he has taste in chanting. So the more one's taste in hearing is there, then automatically that proportion of taste will come in chanting.
उसके साथ मिलने के लिए हमारे
Because Naam is non different from Krishna. So,
सबसे बड़े प्रसिद्ध एक एक्टर
for the example, there's a very famous actor.
है, अभिनेत्री, एक्टर বা एक्ट्रेस, अभिनेत्री है, उसके महिमा को सुनो।
For example, someone has someone has seen the movie about a famous actor and he's hearing of his glories. Then automatically, what happens?
उसके साथ हमें डायरेक्ट मिले कैसे?
That how can we meet with him?
टीवी में तो देखा,
Even though it's on TVs and movies, but still you're not pacified. We really want to meet them.
कथा सुनने की यही तात्पर्य है।
So the meaning of this, aim of this katha, so to aim of katha, to listen to katha, is to get taste in the,
धीरे दया सर्वधर्म सार,
to have taste in the holy name.
नाम में रुचि हो। जिससे
Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Naam Ruchi Jeev De, the more one has taste in name, the more one is hearing, the more one has taste in chanting. He was most enthusiasm chanting.
अन्यमान प्रतिष्ठा करेंगे, दैन्य, ह्यूमिलिटी, दया, कंपैशन की बात समझनी। अन्यमान give respect to
Others.
and never scaffold, प्रतिष्ठा वर्जन, never hankering for
For
your
own-
name, fame, reputation. ये चार हैं। इनादि सुनिच तरलो चैतन्य, अमानि न मानदिन, इस प्रति एक ही व्याख्या है। हाँ? Tolerance, अरे सब उसमें आते हैं। हाँ?
Compassion.
दैन्य आ जाए तो tolerance आ जाए।
Danya there. So this, when automatically one is compassionate and humility automatically has tolerance.
हाँ? कोई कहता है सुनने में बहुत आनंद आ रहा है।
Some people saying I have taste in hearing but no taste in chanting. That means there's something wrong. It's not possible. It's not possible to one have real taste in hearing but not taste in chanting.
जितने हम कथा सुन रहे हैं, ये कथा सुनने का एक ही तात्पर्य
The aim of all this hearing katha is to get taste in the holy name. because Nam is no different from Krishna.
सुन रहे, किसी कथा सुन रहे
And whose katha are we hearing? About Krishna. We're hearing katha about Krishna.
हैं? नाम तो सेम कृष्ण है, कृष्ण और कृष्ण नाम में अंतर नहीं।
There's no difference between Krishna and his name.
कृष्ण कथा में रुचि हो रहा है, कृष्ण नाम में रुचि क्यों नहीं हो?
So it's
एक ही
not
तरह-
possible to have taste in Krishna Nam, Krishna katha, but not have taste in Krishna Nam.
रुचि नहीं हो रहा है। तुम जो सोच रहे हो तुम सत्ता नहीं।
That it means that if we don't have taste in chanting, that means we don't have real taste in hearing.
तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु अभी थोड़े बहुत जो माधुर्य कादम्बरी की जिसमें दो पर व्याख्या दिया, एक राधा कृष्ण पर और एक
So two meanings of Madhurya Kadambini, one is on Radha Krishna and one is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
कादम्बरी एक चैत्र राधा कृष्ण जुगल सरकार और एक राधा कृष्ण मृत
One is Mahaprabhu and one is Radha Krishna. The two sides of this Madhurya Kadambini.
तो महाप्रभु के और विशेष एक वैशिष्ट्य हमारे आचार्य
And Acharya is showing another speciality of Mahaprabhu.
प्रेम माधुर्य की उत्कर्षता है ही है, तो उससे अधिक उत्कर्षता जो है इसमें है
Even
चैतन्य महाप्रभु की प्रेम माधुर्य।
even though there's so much, one has so much attraction for Radha Krishna's pastimes.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Audarya Leela.
हैं?
Audarya, nahi.
उदारता, उदारता।
Because there's more sweetness, munificent magnitude.
हैं?
Because even though there's deep, one has attraction for the sweetness of Radha Krishna's Madhurya sweetness, still Mahaprabhu's munificent pastime, magnanimous pastime attracts someone more. Magnetic. One is more attracted to the Mahaprabhu's, because how magnanimous he is, automatically they are attracted, because his special compassion that he gives to all living entities, automatically one is, therefore he's not, he is so much, how much liberal he is, how much magnanimous he is, he does not consider the offense of others. He, when he, because how he is compassionate to all living entities, automatically Krishna is not, does not do. Mahaprabhu automatically, Krishna's prem is limited only to Vrindavan. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, being so liberal, so magnanimous, he is giving this prem to everyone. So this is speciality of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna is limited that brush prem to Vrindavan only. In his manifest pastimes, Krishna has just kept that prem in Vrindavan only. This Rupa Goswami Pad is saying in Laghu Bhagavatamritam how Krishna is compassionate, that he gave prem to the trees and creepers of Vrindavan. But he did only in Vrindavan.
कृष्ण के अनेकों अवतार, पंकजनाभ अवतार, पंकजनाभ कृष्ण के अनेकों तो अवतार बनी है।
Krishna has many avatars, incarnations, but Krishna,
वृंदावन के तुरुलता आदि में जब प्रेम के बाद
only Krishna gave this prem to the creepers and trees of Vrindavan.
कहाँ पर?
But this is only in Vrindavan,
वृंदावन के बाहर में।
not outside of Vrindavan.
कृष्ण जो प्रेम प्रदान किया, कहाँ पर प्रदान किया? अपने प्रकट लीला में।
Krishna gave this prem only in his manifest pastimes, only in Vrindavan, not outside of Vrindavan.
जो ब्रज प्रेम, यहाँ पर प्रेम करते ब्रज प्रेम की बात।
This prem we're talking about is known as Braj prem. This Braj prem.
प्रेम कहने पर
So-
वृंदावन की जो प्रेम है, वो वृंदावन पशु पक्षी लता वृक्ष की जो प्रेम देगी, है बंसी वादन आदि करके
By playing his flute, showing his Madhurya, Rup Madhurya, Venu Madhurya. So he attracted all the living entities of Vrindavan, the animals and trees of Vrindavan.
ऐसे कृष्ण के कौन आश्रय लेना नहीं चाहते हैं?
So who doesn't want to take shelter of this Krishna? So Rup Goswami is praying this thing prayer that Krishna is so merciful.
पुतना को भी प्रेम प्रदान कर दिया,
Krishna gave the prem to Putana also.
उनको शरीर पे छुपा करके
He did
कहाँ
not
भेजा? गोलोक।
send her to Golok.
पुतना को भी प्रेम। वृंदावन सचिनंदन गौरहरि के
But our Sachinandan Gauri, what did he do?
वृंदावन
He took that prem, he gave this prem to everyone, even those people outside Vrindavan. This is specialty of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
चैतन्य सचिनंदन गौरहरि महाप्रभु ने किया कि प्रेम वृंदावन में ही प्रेम दिया कुछ बच्चे बता दूंगा और चैतन्य महाप्रभु प्रेम
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he even gave this to the animals of Jharkhand.
महाप्रभु प्रेम प्रदान किया गया दक्षिण देश में
He in South India,
सभी को जो प्रेम
he gave prem to everyone along he met. He created a flood of this prem and gave to reached everyone.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु के दूर से दर्शन कर
Those even had darshan from far away from Mahaprabhu, he gave prem to them by his inconceivable power.
सबके लिए उन्होंने दे दिया चलो वृंदावन में
He gave prem to everyone. Inside, outside of Vrindavan, he gave to everyone. He through Nam Sankirtan.
जारे देखे तारे धन प्रेम महाप्रभु के विशेष
So this is specialty of Mahaprabhu.
तो कृष्ण के सदा में गौर सुंदर जी आप जब
So when we compare between Mahaprabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna,
तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु की पल्ला क्या होता है
heavy. Krishna Mahaprabhu's weight is heavier than Krishna is light in front of Mahaprabhu.
प्रेम बदल के वृंदावन में
Because Krishna gave that prem only to Vrindavan, limited to Vrindavan.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु वृंदावन से
But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given he is so liberal, he gave to in everywhere, all over in wherever he went, he gave this prem to everyone.
मुझे प्रेम की बाढ़ बहा दी महाप्रभु केवल महाप्रभु के दर्शन से सब हृदय में प्रेम संचार
Just by having darshan of Mahaprabhu, every prem,
दर्शन है भाई कृष्ण प्रेम
even by having darshan from far away, still the prem developed in their heart.
महाप्रभु अच्छा ये तो मैं कहा उदारता क्या है इसमें ये तो महाप्रभु के उदारता है
This is his liberality of Mahaprabhu.
और विशेष उदारता क्या है
What is his special magnanimity?
और एक ही साथ में सात प्रकार की क्रिया को भक्त हृदय में प्रवेश करा
He did 5 activities entered in the heart of the living entity. What is the 7 things?
सौरभ सौंदर्य सौसर्य सौकुमार्य सौरस्य औदार्य और तारुण्य
So he said these 7 things. Mahaprabhu gave these 7 things automatically in the heart of all of the that Krishna did not do.
क्या लिखा
Swarupa, Swarupa, that his beautiful form.
दर्शन करा करके एक ही साथ दर्शन करके हृदय में जा
And automatically attracts the heart. Such a beautiful form of Mahaprabhu.
इतना महाप्रभु रूप है अजान लंबित बाहु कनकावदातु संकीर्तन के पितरु कमलाय तक्षु विश्वम्भरो द्यवरु जुग धर्म पालु अजान लंबित बाहु
The Lambita Bhaju, his hands are. He's mentioning about his form, his arms. It goes up to his knees. Such long arms. For us,
सीधा खड़े और घुटनों तो गए कि नहीं हाथ
as hands, his knees, it doesn't go to the knees. With Mahaprabhu's arms are so long, it goes below the knees. His arms are so long, it reaches all the way to. It is not possible for a human being. Kanakavata, that in golden form, molten gold. Just like molten gold, so divya, so transcendental form, beautiful form.
संकीर्तनों की करो।
who is the father
संकीर्तन के पिता पितृ सर्वनाम जनक कहा जाता है।
he's the
पिता को क्या कहा जाता है?
who is the father
उसी
of the
प्रकार
Sankirtan
हम
movement.
सबके जड़ की source of नाम संकीर्तन
Then
चैतन्य
Mahaprabhu is the source of Harinam Sankirtan.
इतना सुंदर तप्त कांचन गौरांग
Such a beautiful molten gold form
देख करके सब आकृष्ट
that by seeing him automatically all are attracted to him,
पुतली
just like a statue of gold.
पुतली समझ the doll of golden doll
Golden color, golden statue.
आजान लंबी दवा
Kanaka Bhatatu, Sankirtan Pitro, the Kanaka Sankirtan Pitro,
कनक बता दो संकीर्तन
Kamala
कमला तक
so
कमल मन
lotus
कितने सुंदर
eyes are like lotus shaped.
लंबी लंबी
Long,
हैं? इतने सुंदर हैं? लाल लाल आवाज नीचे क्या होता क्या लाल
reddish at the bottom of the eyes,
सुंदर। और
so
थोड़ी सी आँख
very
उभरी हुई। उभरी समझते हो
very
ऊपर उठा हुआ। इसकी आँख का होता है ना इसका आँख धस जाता है बबूस का
sometimes people
आँख धस जाने से बबूस का समझते हो ऑलरेडी हो जाता है 2-4 बार पैखाना हो जाए ना आँख ऐसे घुस जाए
I think one day to 2 days you don't eat or something, go to the bathroom, goes inside. The eyes goes inside.
ये महाप्रभु के आँख कैसे था
But how is Mahaprabhu sir?
उभरे हुए
It's just coming out,
आँख जैसे कमल के पंखुड़ी
just like the flowers of Kamal.
हैं दोनों पंखुड़ी कैसे रखो उल्टा हुआ उल्टा करके रखो तो घुस जाता है और ऐसे करके रखो
Just the eyes are coming out.
ऐसे ऊपरा ऊपर ऐसे सुंदर राधा जी की आँख किसी प्रकार है
Radharani's eyes are also like that.
इतना सुंदर महाप्रभु झूला झूले राधा दामोदर
Vrinda.
राधा जी का आँख की वर्णन है ना 2 and 4 times
2 foot.
अरे 2-4 बार पायखाने जाओ ना
If you go to 4 times, you go to the bathroom,
then your eyes going to
deep inside.
deep. हाँ? कोई 2-4 बार पायखाने में चल जाए 10 तो हो जाए 10 तो नहीं
ठीक।
2-4 बार एक बार हो जाए ना बात
Okay.
और आँख अपने आप
Just like one goes like his diarrhea or something, goes 2-3 times, he goes to the bathroom, he loses,
दाल ऐसे भी
then automatically goes inside. For example,
बुढ़ी जैसी हो
just like an old lady.
जाए। हाँ? तो बीच में बब्स का हो जाती है ये उसको बोलते हैं चंद्रावली ये बोलते हैं बब्स
So they tease each other. So
महापुर का क्या है पर वो मैं भूल गया वो क्या कीर्तन है
Ra-
वो लास्ट में जो भूल गया राधा जी का आँख की वर्णन है कीर्तन वो सुंदर है इसको मैं अच्छा करता हूँ
Nain Sham Kichori. You show this to Maharaj. Dekha Maharaj.
ये झूला झूले राधा दामोदर श्याम राम कृष्णा इसमें लिखा है, वही आँखियाँ इसमें लिखा ना वही आँखियाँ अपंग छवि है हाँ, वही आँखियाँ क्या है इसमें हिंदी में लिखा ना वही आँखियाँ माने जिनके आँख उभरा हुआ है
eyes that are coming out. I don't know what it.
हिंदी में पढ़ो वही आंखें अपांग छवि वही आंखें क्या है
The eyes of Radharani.
आंख
The eyes of Radharani. His eyes are coming.
गुरुदेव इसको व्याख्या करते हैं
Gurudev used to speak on this.
वही आंखें अपांग छवि
That means the eyes are coming out. Very beautiful.
के द्वारा तीसरी नजर के द्वारा उभरा हुआ आंख और जब ये तीसरी नजर
When
के
she
द्वारा
sidelong glance of the
इसके बाद कुछ देखो
eyes,
उभरा हुआ है और
eyes like that,
अपांग शब्द का अर्थ होता है
sidelong glance, glance.
देखो राधा जी ना राधा जी का आंख उभरी हुआ है ये जो है उभरा हुआ है
The eyebrows are coming out. The eyebrows are coming out.
जिसके आंख उभरा हुआ
The
होता है
eye,
और ऐसे सैलर ढंग से दिखते हैं उसको देख उसकी जो रूप माधुर्य
the sweetness when one eyes like that and the sidelong glance, it's so beautiful.
वही आंखियां अपांग छवि हैं? महाप्रभु में उसी प्रकार है इतने सुंदर जो विजय अजानुलग्न बाहु कनकबुदातु संकीर्तन कमलाय
Vishwambarat.
कमला आयत
Kamala
यानी
Aita.
कमल की पंखुड़ी के भांति इतने सुंदर
It's like beautiful like a lot
और दीर्घाकार
and long also. Long.
इतना सुंदर जो है
Yeah, like lotus flowers.
लंबी लंबी आंखें
Big long eyes coming down. So this
इसलिए महाप्रभु उसी प्रकार
Swarup, the beautiful, so, attracting all the living entities with his beautiful form.
ये है पहले हो गया
This is the first one. The second is Saurabha. Saurabha.
सौरभ क्या है सुंदर गंध
The fragrance, the fragrance, beautiful fragrance of is Mahaprabhu's limbs.
अंग की गंध प्राप्त करके गाय आदि अपने पर आ जाती है
Automatically, the cows used to come and lick Mahaprabhu.
मानो साक्षात कृष्ण की गंध आ रही है
The smell of Krishna is almost like the same Krishna smell, fragrance of the body. When Mahaprabhu entered Vrindavan,
देख करके सारे गाय
all the cows and deer came towards Mahaprabhu. When Mahaprabhu sat down, automatically the cows they came and started licking Mahaprabhu. But this is the fragrance from Krishna's body. Automatically the cows understood.
अपने बछड़े को जब पहचान लेती है
Just like the cow can already recognize its calf and automatically starts licking the calf.
सारे शरीर को चाहता है उसी प्रकार चैतन्य महा
Same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the transcendental limbs of Mahaprabhu, such beautiful form and such beautiful fragrance is coming.
ये सुगंध कहाँ से आया
Where is the smell coming? This is the fragrance from Radharani's body.
गंधोत्मादिता
One of the names of Radharani is Gandha Madhita.
राधिका अपने अंग के द्वारा क्या करते हैं
Through her own lips,
सुगंध फैला देती
she
है
fragrance goes all over the body, that everyone become intoxicated.
मधुमक्खी राधा जी की
Then,
मुख के जो है कमल समझ के
and everyone comes to Radharani's face just like thinking this is a lotus.
वृंदावन में चलती है
When Radharani is walking in Vrindavan,
एक एक चलवान कोई है मूविंग
lotus, a flower.
लोटस
When Radharani is walking, the bees think this is a moving lotus flower.
उसी पर चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
सुगंध के द्वारा
such beautiful fragrance is coming from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's. It attracts all living entities.
किसी के लोगों की गंध पायखाना की में होती
Some people's smell is just like this big bad smell
है इनको सोच ठीक से करते नहीं ना
because they don't clean their bodies properly.
गंध
So sometimes smell is coming in the body.
ये तो महाप्रभु के इतने सुंदर सुगंध
But Mahaprabhu's body is such good fragrance is naturally coming out of that body.
इतने गंदे सुगंध है अर्थात ये भी क्या है भक्त रूपी भ्रमर है
That means when the devotee is compared to the bumblebee and automatically gets attracted to Krishna, Mahaprabhu.
चलते हैं सब भक्त लोग उनकी चरण कमल पे जो है अनुगमन करते हैं
And automatically all the devotees are following.
तुलना दिशम चैतन्य महाप्रभु की अंग की इतने सुगंध जो है
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body is so fragrant.
महाप्रभु के भाव प्रेम
This is the fragrance of Prem that the devotees, like the bumblebees,
Brahmar Krishna.
the bhakta is compared to a bumblebee, just like a bumblebee is attracted to the flower and always hovering near there. Similarly, the devotees are always going close to Mahaprabhu to get that prem.
ये उदाहरण दे रहे हैं। इसलिए सौरभ को अपने सुंदर गंध, सौसर्य, सुंदर स्वर,
Saushar means Saushar,
सौसर्य।
Sausarya.
महाप्रभु की इतने सुंदर जो है मधुर स्वर, जो ध्वनि जो है,
The sound of Mahaprabhu's voice is so beautiful.
इतने सुंदर स्वर, है कंठ ध्वनि।
The sound of his voice,
कोयल की मधुरमा की भी
yes, it defeats even the cuckoo birds.
इतने सुंदर
It's so beautiful.
है। और उसी महाप्रभु की ध्वनि श्रवण करने की, महाप्रभु क्या ध्वनि करते हैं?
What does he do?
महाप्रभु जब गाते हैं,
When he sings the Mahamantra?
गाय गोराचरण,
Hare Madhur Sware,
कृष्ण
Krishna,
हरे
Hare.
हरे, गाय गोराचरण,
When Mahaprabhu is with a beautiful voice, when he sings Nam Sankirtan,
महाप्रभु के मुखारबिंद से जो स्वर जो निकाल रहे हैं,
the sound that is coming from his,
सब गान रहे हैं।
everyone is chanting Mahamantra,
एक गान गाते हैं।
but Mahaprabhu is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
और उस स्वर जब निकलते हैं,
With his
सब
beautiful
लोग
son,
कान खड़ा करके
and automatically everyone's ear is rise. They all want to hear the voice of his voice.
कृष्णदास गाते हैं ना, कितना मधुर लगता है।
Just like how Krishna, when he sings, is so sweet.
भगवान ने किसी किसी शक्ति दी है। जैसे कोई आर्टिस्ट होता है, क्या बोलते हैं, गाना गाते हैं ना,
Those singers.
हैं? क्या बोलते हैं, क्या फर्स्ट मैं भूल जाता हूँ, हैं? लता मंगेशकर,
अच्छा, अच्छा.
हैं?
The different famous singers.
हैं? अनेकों जो है, उनकी देखो गले के सुंदर कितने, एक
But
ही कीर्तन कितने लोग करते हैं।
one song people sing, so everyone is singing. But if
YouTube में चले जाओ, कोई ये कीर्तन दे दो, और वो अलग-अलग गा रहे हैं।
so many people are singing, you can go on YouTube, then you can see
एक ही कीर्तन, जिनकी
one
स्वर
kirtan.
आपके हृदय को,
But some attracts your heart, but some doesn't attract your heart because of the sound of their voice.
YouTube में चले जाओ, कोई कीर्तन आप क्लिक कर दो, हैं?
When you go to YouTube,
क्लिक कर दो,
even Mahamantra, if you click
और
Mahamantra,
अनेकों आपके लोगों की स्वर है।
when you can hear the sound of many voices, when you compare, then you can see some people's voice are really nice, some people are.
इसी कीर्तन के बड़ी दिन तक उसमें अनेकों जो है,
One Kirtan Maharaj is saying that so many links are there. Links. Different singers will come.
एक ही कीर्तन,
One
सब
Kirtan,
लोग करते जाएं।
everyone sings
आप
them.
ये सुनो,
But still,
पता चल गया
then you can understand some are attracted, some are not attracted to, because the sound of the voice.
ठीक उसी प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
हरे हरे कृष्ण नाम से
is Hari Nam
गाय
Sat.
गोराचरण मधुर
Sware
कृष्ण
Krishna Hare Hare Hare.
महाप्रभु जब नाम संकीर्तन करते
When
हैं,
Mahaprabhu sing Nam Sat,
महाप्रभु के सुंदर जो गले के स्वर इतने मधुर है,
but the sound of his voice is so sweet that that it defeats the sound of the voice of the cuckoo birds.
इतना सुंदर महाप्रभु की गले के स्वर।
It's so beautiful is the sound of his voice.
जैसे कहते हैं सौ सर्ज स्वर गले के स्वर बिल्कुल ये कंठ ध्वनि। सौ कुमार जी ये महाप्रभु की ये सुंदर शरीर की जो
This
गठन जो है कुमार का सौ कुमार जी,
and the Kumari, that means so youthful form.
इतने सुंदर जो है,
It is so beautiful
अंगों की जो सुंदर इसे सजा हुआ है,
and
हैं?
decorations.
अतीब मधुर
It's so beautiful, so sweet.
सब कुमार, जैसे कुमार का आने पर
Just at the time of when youthful comes, the child,
क्या बोलते हैं, अंग आदि जो है,
the limbs of the body.
जहाँ पर जैसे होना चाहिए उस प्रकार
At that time, the limbs how it should be. At that time, it forms at the time of youth,
सुंदर सुदीर्घ विस्तृत
like his chest,
है, सुंदर
his face, mukha, like he's like a chubby.
गाल
The cheeks,
टुकड़ा हुआ देखने से क्या लगता है?
when the cheeks are rosy, like
चुम्बन
when
की इच्छा।
you desire to kiss it,
आगे
so
तो
fluffy.
गाल को गाल धस देता है।
Some cheeks are so deep that you don't, like an old person.
होता है क्या नहीं?
Where some people are so rosy,
छोटा बच्चा,
just like a child,
मोटा छोटा
is a nice chubby child.
है, आहा कैसे delicious।
Then you say, oh, like feel like kissing the cheeks.
उस बालों के लेकर के आलिंगन करना है, चुम्बन करना है।
You feel
और वही एक बच्चा
same other
जिसके
child.
गाल धस गया, आँख
His
धस गया।
eyes are deep, ears and cheeks are deep. You don't.
महाप्रभु के ठीक उसी प्रकार है।
Same thing,
महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu.
इतने सुकुमार जो
So
कुमार
Kumar,
काल में जैसे शरीर की अंग महाप्रभु के ऐसे दिग्भव
so eyes are so, the
है।
cheeks are so rosy.
नासिका,
The face is so beautiful.
ललाट, आँख
Chair,
आँख,
the
आँख,
forehead,
इतने सुंदर है। ये कपोल कितने सुंदर
the cheeks are so beautiful,
है।
are full.
सो कुमार जो
So Kumariya,
अपने सुंदर
his youthful form
विकास
like
इससे आकर्षित करते हैं।
and attracts all the living entities.
सौरस
So
सौरस क्या है? पांचवा क्या है?
Ras, so Ras is
सौरस रस निकाल कहाँ से?
what Ras is so beautiful. Ras.
अधर आदि के रसों के द्वारा है? इसके भी और आगे व्याख्या करेंगे सब। महाप्रभु जी एक ही साथ में जो सात वस्तु की भक्त को देते
At one time, Mahaprabhu gives his seventh is automatic to the devotees. So Ras,
सुंदर रसों के द्वारा
through so Ras,
आदि के रसों के द्वारा रसना के है? आनंद की है?
that means bliss. So much, so beautiful bliss, so much happiness he gives.
उदार जो उदारता महाप्रभु की इतने उदारता है।
And Udadata, that means so much, so liberal he is.
उदारता किसे कहा जाए?
Who is, what is the meaning of liberal?
डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं
Who does not discriminate
है कि अयोग्य।
when one is qualified or not qualified.
तारे देखे तारे दैन प्रेम पिलाई।
Wherever he saw, he gave prem.
अब तारे है
Ratina, nahi.
है ना अब तारे योग्यता ना विचार किया।
That avatar he did not,
नहीं गौरांग की अवतार में
in Gauranga incarnation,
योग्य हो अयोग्य
he did not see whether one is qualified or not qualified. He gave prem to everyone he saw. Whoever came in front of him, he gave them prem. He does not see whether he is qualified or not qualified.
व्यक्ति है
One who is liberal,
कौन उठा देगा आंख बंद करके
he gives to everyone.
ये तेरा है नहीं
He doesn't say this is mine, you are qualified or you are not qualified. He gives to everyone.
आ जाता है उसको है? महाप्रभु ने क्या किया इसलिए कहते हैं उदारता बस जो ले जाओ
Therefore, he is liberal.
देकर भी शांति नहीं है और दो और दो
Still, he is not satisfied. He is not satisfied. Still, he wants to give more and more.
एक तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं कर रहे और कहते क्या
One, he is not discriminating. Another one, he is just giving so much freely without any concern.
इसमें हमारे लिख रहे हैं ना है? यदि ब्राह्मणे चंडाले करे कोलाकुली कभी बच्चिदाई ब्राह्मण
Whether in the society, in both, Gauranga Binani, Gauranga Binane yaar. Gauranga Binane yaar. Gauranga Binane. How Sachinandan Gaura is so compassionate. Gauranga Binane yaar. Gauranga Binane yaar. Gauranga Binane yaar.
हेनो अवतार ऐवा की होइछे हेनो प्रेम प्रचार है दुरमति अति अति तपासुर
Darshan.
है प्राणे न मारी लोकारे हरि नाम दिया
Yeah, Hidaya Sotila.
है
So in this song, Mahaprabhu is giving
है ब्रह्मा विरिंची वांछित जो प्रेम
this prem that is not available even to Brahma and Lord Shiva. So the beggars in Brahman and the Chandali, that means they are. So he is giving to everyone, not considering any qualification. He's Yes, I've given up. I don't have time. I've given up some that he's given. I'm tired of just giving again and again. So giving, so he's not worried about who he gives to. For example, one who is distributing, then his height becomes tired. when it becomes tight,
मेरा हाथ थक गया,
height is tight, you can take whatever you want, how many you want, you can take. How much you want, you can take.
बंदर है ना वृंदावन में, बंदर को बांटने लगे।
For example, one person is giving one banana tied to banana.
केला को बड़ी को बिल्कुल
Then he throws the basket of banana. How many banana take? How much you want, you can take. So Mahaprabhu just like that. Mahaprabhu is distributing.
फिर देखा बांटते बांटते महाप्रभु ने मेरा हाथ धर
Then my hands are tied by distributing, and then he put this whole bag of it's giving to it.
दिया। एक करके देखा, दो चार दे रहा, एक कर ना तू जितना ले तेरी इच्छा।
Then he's saying, how much you want, you can take.
मैं दे दूं, दो चार दे दूं हाथ में।
In my hands, I can only give one or two.
अपने मर्जी से
But if you can take, but one who takes, he can take whatever he feels like he will take.
इसमें तो यही थी, बोलते भाग के ही आ रहे हैं। ये कहते हैं,
So,
इसलिए कहते हैं उदारता, उदारता।
Udarata is liberal.
फिर 7th क्या है? 6 तो उदारता कहा गया।
6 is Udarta, that means liberal. How liberal is?
7वां क्या है?
Karunya.
कारुण्यता,
Karunyata, his compassion.
करुणा।
His compassion.
दूसरे के दुख देखकर जिनकी
How much his heart is melting, seeing the suffering of others, automatically his heart is melting.
इसकी करुणा।
This Karuna.
यही महाप्रभु के एक ही साथ में, ये जो 7 जो भाग एक ही साथ में ऐसे महाप्रेमी भक्त भी साथ में हैं।
So automatically he gives these 7 things to devotees.
महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu.
एक ही साथ में।
He gives automatically this something.
कैसे करे?
Then what happens?
जैसे भक्त को अपने सुंदर रूप दिखा करके भक्त
Automatically, when the devotee is hankering for the devotee,
महाप्रभु कितने सुंदर रूप प्रकाश कर दे।
Mahaprabhu is showing his beautiful form,
मूर्छित हो
and automatically the devotee becomes unconscious.
जाता है। जब मूर्छित हो जाता है, तब भगवान क्या करते हैं?
Then when
जैसे
Bhagwan
भक्त होते हैं,
becomes unconscious,
उनके जागृत करना
then automatically to wake him up, he,
जगाने के लिए मूर्छित होते हैं ना, मूर्छा भंग
because
करते
he's unconscious to wake,
हैं। भक्त होते हैं, उनकी मोटे मोटे शंख लगाते हैं।
it just it puts his conscience to those in Dasya
शंख लगा करके उठाते
to wake him
हैं।
up.
भक्त होते
In
हैं,
Sakya,
हाथ पकड़ करके
he holds his hand, he lifts it with his hands. Mention,
पकड़ करके 3 दिन लगेगा मेरा कहता।
to mention this, it will take 3 days.
उदारता क्या?
How is Mahaprabhu's, his Udarta, his liberalism?
और ये भारत में भी और भी बता-
There's so many examples.
जैसे जैसे भक्त हो, जिस रस के भक्त होगा,
Depending on the
उस भक्त के
type of the devotee, what dress he in, to wake him up, they,
भगवान को दर्शन करके ना मूर्छित हो जाता है।
because a devotee, when having darshan of the Lord, he automatically becomes unconscious.
दर्शन करके भक्त मूर्छित हो जाता है। भगवान के इतने सुंदर रूप हैं कि बादशाह सिरे
कि
बामसी करे, कि बासी त्रिभुवन धाम, सदाया सागरी लिंग रूप धरी चरणेनु पुरदाम। और भक्तिवान ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is written this Kirtan. Govinda's form is so beautiful.
कैसे सुंदर सिर पर मोरी पंखा रखा है। किबा चूड़ा
Vamsi, Vamsi,
किबा चूड़ा सिरे
Kiva Vamsi.
किबा बंसी करे।
His
अहो,
sound
हाथ
of his
में
flute,
बंसी लेकर के त्रिभुवन
his
को
sound,
लेकर के
flute
कैसे
sound,
करेंगे?
so beautiful
कैसे
flutes.
मंद मुस्कान करते हुए
His
उसके
smiling
चरणों
face
के द्वारा
and sidelong glance and completely steals everyone's heart.
है? और ऐसे रूप देख करके भक्त क्या होता है? मूर्छित हो जाता है। अपने रूप को दर्शन पाते हैं ना। इधर किबा चूड़ा सिरे,
अरे किबा बंसी बारे,
किबा से त्रिभंग ठाम। कैसे त्रिभंग ठाम गए?
And automatically his 3 bent fold posting, how his body is bent in 3 ways. His body is 3 bent from
गर्दन होता है, कमर होता है,
his neck, feet, and waist.
इतना सुंदर जो
Such a beautiful form.
करके तिरछी नजरों के द्वारा
And with the flute,
चितवन के चुराती हुई
stealing the heart
के हृदय को बींधती हुई
and stealing everyone's heart, melting everyone's heart.
बरहा वीरन नटवरगु करनी परितान विद्युत भासितम दक्षिण कमालम रंधन वेनो दस जयपुरन गोविंद वृंदावन सदरमन राधा जी वर्णन करते
Radharani is saying,
चेतन गोविंद की
the,
कितनी सुंदर
how Krishna's form is so beautiful. Radharani is saying,
उसी प्रकार एक साधक भजन करते
Therefore, when a sadhak is doing bhajan,
गोविंद उनकी
and Bhagwan, that time Govinda gave him darshan.
हाँ मनोहर कि देखो नानी
Really?
बोलिया मूर्छिता
Ah, Manohar, what I have seen, a beautiful form of sin.
नाम उपली
It-
उपली का प्रेम था
Gaite Govindam,
और
sing this, then
गोविंद के ऐसे सुंदर रूप
beautiful sing his form, automatically I become unconscious.
है गायते गोविंद नाम उपजी होते कितने प्रेम होता है हरे कृष्ण नाम जपते जाओ
Automatic.
सुंदर रूप
Govinda's form is so beautiful, his sidelong glance, stealing the heart of all living entity.
तो भक्त के ऐसे मूर्छित देख करके
And seeing the unconscious of the devotee, then Bhagwan, if one is in Dasyaras, then he touches him with his conch shell and wakes him up. Or devotee get up. You have been in studies for millions of lives, and I have never getting. At that time, Bhagwan feels so humble. He tells the devotee, for me, you've taken so much difficulties in hot, in cool, in without water, so much suffering just for me, and I never gave anything. At that time, Bhagwan's heart is melting, and he's saying that I never gave you anything.
अभी भूख लग रही है ना मेरा कथा में तो सुना तुम्हें भूख बंद ही है अभी से भूख
Hare
लग
Krishna.
रही है।
People are devotees getting hungry, so